How to turn on or turn off mobile hotspot Wi-Fi sharing on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here, click on Settings app. Now in Setting, scroll down. You will see first option is Connections. Click on Connections. After click on Connection, scroll down and click on Mobile Hotspot and Retreat. After click on Mobile Hotspot and Retreat, click on Mobile Hotspot. After click on Mobile Hotspot, click on Band and click on Advanced. After click on Advanced, scroll down. You will see Wi-Fi sharing is here. If you want to turn off Wi-Fi sharing, so turn off this button. After turn off this button, you will see Wi-Fi sharing is turned off. If you want to turn on Wi-Fi sharing, so turn on this button. After turn on this button, you will see Wi-Fi sharing is turned on. You will turn on or turn off Wi-Fi sharing from here. After the process, click on save, go back to home screen. So that's how you can turn on or turn off mobile hotspot Wi-Fi sharing on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.